In today's fast-paced digital world, the ability to turn raw notes into polished, professional articles is a game changer. From students trying to summarize lectures to creators aiming to convert ideas into compelling content, AI tools can save hours of work and dramatically improve productivity. On ByteSized Future, we explore the latest AI-powered writing tools that not only automate content creation, but also optimize for quality, SEO, and workflow efficiency. By understanding the factors that make these tools stand out, you can choose the one that best fits your needs and workflow. SmartMemo is a versatile AI tool that excels in input flexibility, accepting raw text, PDFs, and even YouTube transcripts. Its strength lies in turning messy or unstructured notes into coherent, polished documents, complete with sentiment analysis, quote extraction, and word frequency insights. Output quality is high, producing structured articles or reports ready for professional use. While customization is moderate, it's ideal for users who need speed and automation more than style adjustments. Integration is basic but effective for exporting documents, and the cost is reasonable with a clear subscription model. Overall, SmartMemo offers transparent AI support, making it a reliable choice for converting research summaries, meeting notes, or lecture transcripts into formal content. For those dealing primarily with spoken material, Notta AI offers real-time transcription, converting lectures, meetings, and conversations into summaries, key points, and actionable items. Its input flexibility is excellent, covering audio from multiple sources. Output quality is solid, though minor editing may be needed for style. Notta AI supports collaboration, making it ideal for teams or classrooms. While it's less focused on SEO or blog publishing, its accuracy and integration with tools like Zoom and Google Meet make it a top choice for professionals and students. Its speed, automation, and strong support system ensure that even complex audio material is transformed efficiently. Content creators looking for fully polished, multimedia-ready articles will find Enspiring.ai invaluable. With flexible input options ranging from short notes to prompts, it generates high-quality, human-like articles complete with SEO optimization, AI-generated cover images, and even audio narration. Customization is a strong suit, with tone, style, and length adjustments available. Enspiring.ai also integrates with common file formats for publishing workflows and performs well in speed and automation. While collaboration is limited, its transparency and support ensure creators can quickly learn and leverage the tool for blogs, social media posts, or other content projects. Google Notebook LM brings the power of the Google ecosystem into AI content creation. It converts notes into structured articles, stylized images, and video overviews. While customization is limited compared to some competitors, it excels in integration with Google Docs and Search, offering reliability and speed. Knowledge and accuracy are strengthened by Google's search and AI capabilities, making it perfect for multimedia content creation. Its collaboration features are robust, thanks to standard Google sharing options, though SEO and publishing features are minimal. Cost is reasonable if you're already using Google Workspace, and support and transparency are strong, reflecting Google's ecosystem standards. But what if you're more of a thinker than a typist? That's where the combination of Wispr Flow and Claude AI shines. This duo allows users to dictate ideas freely, voice first, hands-free, and then have Claude instantly polish those notes into clear, flowing prose. It's like having a ghostwriter that listens. The input flexibility is exceptional for voice users, and the output feels natural, coherent, and human-like. Integration with writing tools is smooth, speed is instant, and customization allows you to tweak tone and pacing. Though collaboration tools are limited, its reliability and transparency make it a powerful choice for professionals, journalists, and authors who prefer to speak their drafts into existence. From writing to education, Doctrina AI transforms notes into learning materials. It's designed for students and teachers, summarizing uploaded notes into essays, quizzes, and even full exams. The results are structured, factual, and tailored to difficulty levels you choose. Doctrina's input flexibility supports text, questions, and documents, while its accuracy in content interpretation is one of the best in education-focused AI tools. Integration with classroom systems and its collaborative tools make it ideal for both personal study and teaching environments. It's fast, affordable, and transparent, perfect for anyone turning information into knowledge. If Doctrina helps you learn by generating materials, Study Fetch Notes AI helps you study smarter. It takes your PDFs, PowerPoints, or lecture videos and automatically summarizes them into clean, digestible study notes. It even generates flashcards for quick revision. Accuracy is remarkably high, particularly for academic and technical subjects. Integration with platforms like Google Classroom makes collaboration seamless for study groups. Speed is impressive. Summaries appear almost instantly, and transparency remains strong, with clear explanations of how content was condensed. It's lightweight, affordable, and built specifically for students who want smarter, faster study tools. Taking things further, Mindgrasp transforms notes, videos, and lectures into a full interactive study experience. It creates not only summaries and flashcards, but also quizzes and even provides an AI tutor to answer questions based on your uploaded content. Input flexibility is excellent, supporting a variety of file types. The output feels personal. It understands what you've studied and what you need to focus on next. It integrates with tools like Google Docs and Canvas, making it ideal for both individual learners and classrooms. Fast, accurate, and transparent, Mindgrasp feels like the next step toward an AI-powered learning companion. Shifting back to content creation, GPT Human redefines how AI-generated writing feels. It doesn't just process notes, it humanizes them. The result is writing that feels authentic, emotional, and conversational. Whether you're creating blog posts, social media content, or storytelling pieces, this tool ensures your articles sound like you. It supports various input types, from outlines to drafts, and the output quality is fluid and engaging. You can customize tone, emotional depth, and pacing. Integration with editors and marketing tools makes it creator-friendly, while its transparency in showing how it rewrites content builds user trust. It's the go-to tool for writers who want the efficiency of AI without losing their unique voice. Finally, we end with Koala AI, the perfect blend of creativity and technical optimization. This tool is a favorite among bloggers and digital marketers because it merges AI writing with real-time web data, producing SEO-optimized content that's both factual and current. Input flexibility is strong, supporting keywords and briefs. Output quality is top-notch, with clear structures, engaging intros, and accurate information. You can customize tone, headings, and even target audience. Integration with WordPress and SEO platforms makes publishing effortless. Its transparency is refreshing, often citing the sources it used to verify claims. For anyone looking to create professional-level, search-ready content straight from their notes, Koala AI is the ultimate upgrade. Each of these tools brings a unique strength to the table. SmartMemo and Notta AI turn chaos into order. Enspiring AI and Notebook LM add creativity and depth. Wispr Flow plus Claude makes dictation feel effortless, while Doctrina AI, Study Fetch, and Mindgrasp empower learners like never before. GPT Human refines authenticity, and Koala AI masters optimization. The best choice depends on your goal, whether it's writing smarter, studying faster, or creating content that truly connects. At ByteSized Future, we believe AI isn't replacing creativity, it's amplifying it. With these tools, your scattered notes can evolve into powerful, professional work in minutes. The future of writing is not only intelligent, it's beautifully bite-sized.